Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Infiniti Q45, 2001 to 2006? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 to 2006 Infiniti Q45 manages power for vital systems like the ECU, ABS, ignition, and cooling fans. It uses high-capacity fuses and relays to ensure safe and consistent electrical flow. This box supports reliable engine function and protects essential components from electrical overloads. Relay fuse box 1 in the 2001 to 2006 Infiniti Q45 controls high-power systems like the starter, radiator fan, and AC compressor. It uses relays and fuses to safely manage current flow and ensure reliable operation of these essential components. Relay box number 2 in the 2005 to 2006 Infiniti Q45 handles secondary systems such as lighting, rear defogger, and accessory power circuits. It uses dedicated relays to manage current flow safely and supports the reliable operation of comfort and convenience features. Passenger compartment fuse box. The driver's side fuse box in the 2001 to 2006 Infiniti Q45 is located within the passenger compartment and controls key systems near the driver's area. It manages functions like power mirrors, driver's side window, seat adjustments, instrument panel, and lighting. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2001 to 2006 Infiniti Q45 powers interior features like the audio system, climate control, power seats, windows, and lighting. It contains low to medium amperage fuses designed to protect cabin-related circuits from electrical faults.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.